This is a continuation of the previous video from Kona terminal. As you can see, some construction have been made. Two warehouses has been erected by Bengal intake. Since they came through ministry level, so they could start it, but I don't know the reason they stopped their work for about 5 to 6 years in this project. They made these two godowns very fast, but after that they also must have faced some problem. I think it is labor problem maybe also, and some financial problem, because since they started this project, they also started two residential projects in this area, kmda, from kmda and West Bengal government, but one of the project which has been named West Kolkata, that is erecting bungalows. We have been there previously, but I think they have faced huge loss there, because as we can understand that those bungalows are still left here and no one has purchased those bungalows. If anybody is seeing this video, you can inquire and obviously can purchase those bungalows from them. I visited their bungalows. They are very good, well constructed, well decorated, and same way, in the same way, in the opposite side of this Kona space from this commercial project, there is a residential project, another residential project along with the previous one which I told. That residential project is also incomplete, and there and we can see that they are also the craze is not there as it was when we started the project. I don't know the reason why this has happened. See, we had been in touch with Bengal intake for a long time, from 2005 since, and we know that when they started these projects, all these three projects are in very much demand. You can't understand. They told their prospectus are not being sufficient to their customers. The prospectus is selling out like anything. But when they made half of this project or one project fully, but the craze from the customers has been lost. I think there is some reason for, obviously, this 2007 recession, and obviously this time's money devaluation. But I think this will improve. There must be some way, and one such way, I think, since this is Howrah area is an industrial zone, and since Bengal intake and intake group has connection to international market, they can obviously, this is my personal opinion, don't take it otherwise, they can obviously approach to those people who want to invest in industrial areas in Howrah, Kolkata and Hooghly areas. This is the connection, main connection, so that they can sell their made properties to them with high price and soon complete this project with that money. And since if they don't get the initiative to complete this project, with few people who like us, as I show MK Cycle and my land, there are 10 people like this, and we will not able to do our work if Bengal doesn't cooperate with us and do this project as fast as possible. And it is a long-term business, and we are looking forward to people all over Asia, India or international people who want to invest in industrial zones and for warehouses, godowns, dhawas, oil bridge, petrol pump, transport, export import, construction business, whatever you can say. Obviously factories and industries are also. I think there's a huge scope of agriculture industry in these areas, because the lands are very fertile and is near to Ganga also, so water supply is not a problem, and in that region we should use technology to improve this kind of business and industry and factories. more and more organic factories should be made, because Indian base is Indian industrial base is agricultural base, and in support with those base we should try to construct some other areas also, that is machinery parks for improvement of industrial zones and like that. And obviously one more thing I should say, that for energy purpose we should look forward to solar power stations and biogas. Biogas is a is the ultimate success for fuel in this world, and obviously India, because the mineral resources are getting decreased down day by day. So we should work togetherly and surely see success, and obviously taking the opinions of good people in Asia, India and all over the world. Thank you very much. Bye from us right now.